Welcome friends in our Samarth English Academy English class. Today we are going to deal with the writing section, and in this writing section we are discussing on question number 6b. Here we are asked to prepare a travel brochure or a travel leaflet, and many students confused how to prepare a travel brochure or a travel leaflet. So for this confusion, I am preparing this video for them. Now let us start our discussion how to prepare a travel brochure. So for this purpose, we have to discuss how the travel brochures or travel leaflets are prepared and why these travel brochures are written. Look at this tourism leaflet or a travel brochure. Why to write a travel leaflet? Those travel leaflets are written in order to advertise a product. You also have watched the advertisement on the television for the Rajasthan tourism department or Maharashtra tourism department or etc. So to advertise of the product. Second purpose is to provide information about a issue or event. एखाद्या घटनेबद्दल माहिती देण्यासाठी the travel leaflets are written. The another reason is that to draw attention to any organization. एखादी जी संस्था आहे, particularly the travel brochures are made by the tourism department. Suppose the tourism department of Maharashtra will advertise of our tourism department. So similarly, to draw the attention to at the organization. Now, what are the features of leaflet? म्हणजे आपल्याला leaflet तयार करताना what should we have to add? So first thing is important that a title and a slogan. Your leaflet should be start with the title and a slogan. After that, the introduction should be there. म्हणजे त्या leaflet's introduction should there, and after taking the introduction, there should be the subheading, and after subheading, the illustration and the photographs of the contact number and where we get the proper information. All this information should be given there. And there the title, see how should be the title. The title should be catchy. It should grab attention of the reader. हे आपल्या वाचकांचं लक्ष आकर्षित करून घेणारं ते टायटल असलं पाहिजे. For example, I have taken some titles here. Saving you money every day. The another title is try something new every day. Are you interested in maritime history? So these are some titles just I have used. Now the next point is introduction, and what we have to use in introduction. In introduction we have to write the history, the mission, the vision and the organization of the department. And after introduction, the subheading should be there. In subheading, we have to give the informative heading for the different section. या सेक्शनला सुद्धा तुम्हाला सब हेडिंग्स द्यायचे असतात. द सब हेडिंग प्रोव्हाइड्स द इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द टॉपिक, की नेमकं त्या टॉपिक मध्ये काय सांगितलेलं आहे. इट इज द इन्फॉर्मेशन देयर. सेकंड, the subheadings are used to persuade the reader to take action. Reading the subheading, it persuades the reader to take action. After reading, one must take the action. The subheadings gives clear idea what the reader is expected to do. या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला काय अपेक्षित आहे की वाचकाला लक्षात आलं पाहिजे त्याच्यावर नेमकं त्याला ते वाचल्यानंतर व्हॉट ही एक्सपेक्टेड टू डू. अँड द फोर्थ पॉइंट इज राईट इन प्रेझेंट टेन्स. तुम्हाला लिफलेट लिहित असताना किंवा ट्रॅव्हल ब्रोचर तयार करत असताना इट शुड बी इन प्रेझेंट टेन्स. द इन्फॉर्मेटिव्ह लँग्वेज शुड बी देअर. युजिंग मेटाफर्स, द यूज ऑफ मेटाफर्स शुड ऑल्सो बी इन देअर. And again, the most important thing is that the use of imperatives and the use of superlative also there in your travel brochure. Next thing is that it includes the contact number, संपर्क कोणाशी करायचा आहे, and write the purpose of the leaflet. And after writing the purpose, how you are helping them, की तुम्ही त्यामध्ये ते लिफलेट तुम्हाला कशा प्रकारे मदत करणार आहे, and what are the benefits do they receive. And after that, you don't have to use the negative words here, one must have to use the positive words. Now friends, we will prepare a travel brochure here, and in there here I have already made one travel brochure for you. Now look at this. Tourism leaflet. So this is the heading. This is the heading of the leaflet. Now I have added a picture here. You don't, in the question paper, you don't need to add the picture here, but already I have added it, and in all the leaflets the picture are also included in the travel or tourism leaflet or travel brochure. See, introduction. In introduction, I have taken for example Ooty. Prepare a leaflet or a tourism brochure for Ooty. So introduction, in introduction I have used Ooty is a queen of hill with a beautiful lakes, rivers, scenery, etc. It is situated in the heart of Tamil Nadu. So this is the introduction I used for Ooty. After that, the subheading I have used how to go there, की उटीला जायचं कसं. Now Ooty is well connected with the rest of India. One can go to Ooty by the way of plane, bus or train. And here, what are the three ways to go there? We also have to use the three ways here. The first way I have used here, that is plane. तुम्हाला सुद्धा ट्रॅव्हल ब्रोचर तयार करत असताना त्या ठिकाणी जाण्यासाठी तुम्हाला 3 मार्ग प्रत्यक्षात किंवा 4 मार्ग अवेलेबल असतील. देअर मे बी द वॉटर वे. हिअर द प्लेन, the two flights ISO 550 and IA 330. These are the flight numbers are available for the Ooty. And the nearest airport also we have to provide. So the nearest airport is Coimbatore, the international airport, and that is 35 miles and 57.2 kilometers. It is there. Then bus, that state transport service, and many private bus services are available from Mumbai to Ooty. Actually, we have taken the Mumbai into consideration. All the distance are taken from Mumbai. Now the train. There are many trains available which take you to Ooty, and the most convenient is Mumbai Ooty Express. So likely one must have to write how to go to the tourism place. त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला जायचं कसं, त्याचे मार्ग तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी द्यायचे असतात. सो इट शुड बी प्लेन, बस और ट्रेन. आफ्टर दॅट, वेअर टू स्टे, कुठे राहायचं, where to stay. So the accommodation is no problem in Ooty. The government tourism hotels and the big small hotels are available to suit your budget. Here many hotels are available. There are also private and government hotels here. So here the TTDC, that means Tamil Nadu Tourism Development Corporation, or MTDC, Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation, या सर्वां अशा डिपार्टमेंटचे मोठमोठे हॉटेल्स त्या ठिकाणी अवेलेबल असतात. अँड दॅट आर, but one must have to write a letter at first and book the rooms for there. How many people are visiting there, one must have to write in the letter. So where to stay we have seen, and now when to visit. आता बघा, पुढचा मुद्दा आपल्याला कव्हर करायचा असतो की त्या नेमकं त्या पर्यटन स्थळाला तुम्हाला कधी भेट द्यायचं आहे. सो वेन टू विजिट. हिअर फॉर Ooty, June to October is the best time of the year to visit Ooty. So ideal time for visiting Ooty is June to October. So in this month, if you visited this place, it will be better for you. Now after that, one must have to write what to see. बघा, आता पुढचा मुद्दा आपल्याला घ्यायचा आहे. व्हॉट टू सी म्हणजे नेमकं आपल्याला तिथं काय पाहायला मिळेल. व्हॉट टू सी. सो क्लायमेट, सिनरी ऑफ Ooty is mind blowing. It is well planned hill station with a big roads, parks, theaters, gardens, and there are also interesting places like the Blue Temple, Lord Ganesha Temple, the Flower Garden, and the Lord Murugan Temple. जेव्हा आपण एखाद्या ठिकाणाबद्दल तुम्हाला जर ट्रॅव्हल ब्रोचर तयार करायचं असेल, तर त्या प्लेस बद्दलची अगोदर माहिती तुमच्या जवळ गोळा केलेली असली पाहिजे. या आधी आपण थोडंसं वाचून ठेवलं पाहिजे. जर ट्रॅव्हल ब्रोचर आपल्याला परीक्षेत जर तयार करायचं असेल, तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला अशा प्रकारचा एखादा फॉर्मॅट तुम्हाला तयारच करून ठेवावा लागेल आणि तो त्या ठिकाणी आपण परीक्षेमध्ये वापरायचा. द नेक्स्ट Subheading is shopping. Shopping is fun in Uti. One can buy not only traditional but also the modern things here. मी इथे तुम्हाला पारंपरिक गोष्टी त्याबरोबर आधुनिक गोष्टी सुद्धा मिळतील. अँड उटी इज फेमस फॉर द सँडलवूड, कारण या उटीच्या बाजूलाच आपलं फॉरेस्ट आहे, ज्या फॉरेस्टमध्ये इट इज फेमस फॉर सँडलवूड. And also you can get the woolen clothes here. So shopping is also fun here. And after that, त्या पर्यटन स्थळाबद्दल एखादं काही विशेष किंवा एनिथिंग स्पेशल जर असेल तर वन मस्ट हॅव टू ऍड, आपल्याला ते या ठिकाणी ऍड करायचं असते. सो तो मुद्दा द्यायचा एनिथिंग स्पेशल. तर या ठिकाणी आता as far as the food concern, Uti is famous for a raw chocolate. I also written की कच्च्या रॉ चॉकलेट साठी प्रसिद्ध आहे. होममेड चॉकलेट्स च्या इथं शॉप टू शॉप मध्ये विक्री होत असते. देन ब्लॅक टी, इडली डोसा, वडा सांबार, मसाला डोसा and Mughal biryani. These are the special things available here in Uti. So this is all about the travel brochure or a travel leaflet, friends. So once again we will conclude that while preparing the tourism leaflet, one must have to write the catchy title. And here the title is taken that Uti is a queen of hill with a beautiful lakes and river and scenery, and it is situated in the heart of Tamil Nadu. So this is the title of our leaflet, and the subheadings are how to go there, and here we have to provide the ways, कशा पद्धतीने आपण त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही पोहोचू शकणार आहे. कुठलं द मेन airport, the main railway station, and the main bus, the route you should provide. Then where to stay, तिथं तुम्ही कुठे राहणार आहे, तुमची राहण्याची सोय कुठे कुठे होऊ शकते. कारण ट्रॅव्हल ब्रोचर वाचल्यानंतर पर्यटकाला तिथं जाण्याबद्दल त्याला प्लॅनिंग करता येते. सो त्याच्या प्लॅनिंग करण्यासाठी हे ट्रॅव्हल ब्रोचर्स आर हेल्पिंग अस. So where to stay, राहायचं कुठे, and after that when to visit, कधी भेट द्यायचं, and what to see, तिथं तुम्हाला काय पाहायला मिळेल, या सगळ्या गोष्टी. and after that shopping, and the last point is anything special, तिथलं अन्न आणि काही जर फेमस असेल तर त्या ठिकाणचं फेमस गोष्टी त्या ठिकाणी सांगायच्या आणि travels brochure in conclude करायचं. So in this way, friends, you can write a travel brochure and you can get 7 out of mark in writing skill section. Thank you, friends.